Assalamu alaikum, wal GSM friend. Today's subject Walton Exxon X22 5G MDM file 100% tested 2026. Next, Symphony Max 30 flash file after flashing date only SPD port show. Next, Techno Spark Go KL4 DRAM file Pandora box 100% tested. Next, Techno KN3 DRAM file F64 box dead mode 100% tested. Next, Infinix X68 $5 plus after flashing date only MTA port 100% tested. Next, Vivo Y22 PDF 2226 PD 2238 DRAM file F64 box. Next, Oneplus Note N30 SE 5G CPH2605 DRAM file unlock tool 2006. Next, Oppo A3 CPH2669 MC eMMC DRAM file XML. Next, Redmi 75G pack file SPD port show 100% tested. Next, Poco M6 Plus DRAM file F64 box. Next, itel CT100 after flashing only SPD port show. Next, Walton Nextg N76 DRAM file 100% tested. Okay, all GSM fan, you don't worry, my all file 100% tested. At first, my YouTube channel subscriber, like and comment on Facebook share. I am very confused. My YouTube channel description no link. Just link email on WhatsApp and Telegram join it. My service 24 hours. Any file or net, just right now. In the browser open, the right Google now. The right now the Borsha Mobile. Okay. Now see check the Borsha Mobile open now. Just a minute wait. Search and search blogger N76. Just search one click. Ready file. MDN file. Okay. Any problem? Email on WhatsApp and Telegram join it. Download link not working. Email on WhatsApp and Telegram join it. My service 24 hours. All GSM pen. Good night.